A very good day. Today we will like to present our innovation named Lecture Lens, real-time lecture feedback system. Next. So for the introduction for our project, Lecture Lens is a tool that helps students and lecturers connect better in class. Many students feel shy to ask questions, so they stay confused. With Lecture Lens, students can mark the part of slides they don't understand, and the lecturer sees a live heat map of their feedback. This makes teaching clearer, more engaging, and helps every student to keep up. Next. So for the problem statement, this time we will discuss about in large lecture settings, students may feel intimidated to ask questions, leaving instructions unaware of their confusion. Passive learning leads to unaddressed misunderstanding among students, low engagement in class activities, reduces student participation, inefficient teaching adjustment make it difficult on instructor to respond. Lecture Lens solves this by providing immediate, anonymous, and visual feedback to instructor.
So for next is objective. We have three objectives. For the first is strive to continuously improve the adaptability of teaching method to suit various classroom situation and diverse student learning needs. The second point is make it priority to consistently ensure the highest level of privacy in all aspects of student information and academic interaction. Last one is work toward enhancing the level of student engagement so that learners are more actively involved in classroom, active and discussion. Scope include real-time heat map generation for upload slide. When students type confusion part of a slide, the system create a live heat map. Second, anonymous tagging by student via web or mobile device. Student can mark confusing content using their phone, tablet or laptop. Accessibility features. The platform is designed so that everyone can use it. For example, students with disability can navigate using only a keyboard. Compatibility with common video conferencing tools. The system works smoothly with popular online teaching apps like Zoom or Teams. For scope exclude voice or video based feedback. Student will not be able to send audio or video feedback. All response will be simple tap or click to keep their system easy. Offline functionality. The system cannot be used without the internet. The last one is AI-based content analysis. The system does not use AI to analyze lecture content or generate explanation.
For the storyboard, the first action that we will do is we will upload the file at the place. Before the lecture begins, the lecturer uploads their slide, presentation or teaching material into the lecture lens system. After that, on the lecture session, the lecturer delivers the lesson as usual, either face-to-face or online, while students follow along with the uploaded slides through their devices. And the next one, on the student provision, when students encounter a part of the lecture that is unclear, they can mark or tag the specific device on their device. So for the last one, lecturer action, the system generates a heat map that highlights which slides receive the most confusion tags. The lecturer can pause, review, and clarify those points immediately. So the target market is for our assignment is to schools and universities, institutions aiming to boost engagement and learning clarity. And the next one is to edtech platforms, online education providers enhancing real-time feedback. And the last one for corporate training program organization improving employee training effectiveness.
For target user, first, teachers see real-time feedback via a confusion heat map to adjust their teaching. Second, student anonymously flag confusing parts of lecturers. The last one is institution improve engagement and learning outcomes. We already know for target user and market target. So, how about the impact? There are 3 impacts. First, school and university students learn better and teachers can adapt faster. Other than that, at that platform, learners get clearer content. Instructor refine course. And the last one is corporate training employees grab skill quicker. Trainer optimize session.
Okay, so the advantages and disadvantages. So first I'm going to talk about the advantages, which is the real-time feedback. Student can anonymously flag confusion and helping teachers to adjust instantly. And then improve engagement, where interactive it maps make lectures more dynamic and student-centered. And the next one will be accessibility, where we can work on web and mobile and supporting diverse learning environments. And the next one, I'm going to talk about the disadvantages, which is the tech dependency, which is require a reliable internet or devices, excluding the low resource settings. And the next one will be the privacy concerns, where it will be the anonymity might be the compromise if data security is weak. And the next one is adoption barrier, where teachers or students may resist changing traditional lecture habits. So the next one will be conclusion. So lecture lends revolutionize classroom dynamics by providing real-time visibility into student confusion, enabling the instructor to immediately address learning gaps. So this innovative tool adapts to any digital learning environment while requiring just 3 things to succeed: reliable technology, strong privacy protections, and educator buy-in. At its core, the lecture land transform uncertainty into understanding, ensuring no student's struggle goes unaddressed and every lecture becomes more impactful.
Okay, so in this part, lecturer will put their files such as the lecture slides in here. So as example, so the slides will be in here, the feedback session, and then on the student interface, students will see, as example, this is a prototype. Student will see this kind of interface where they can press next and will go to the end. And this is the part where students can press for the confusion. And then at the instructor dashboard, which is the lecturer dashboard, the lecturer will see which part of the slides that students is having a problem. So as you can see, step 4 have 85% of confusion. Then the lecturer will repeat back the topic where most of the students have problems with. So this is the backend flow dashboard. So first one, students will tap the confusion zones or slides. The anonymous token is they can access anonymous sessions tokens, which is other student or the lecturer won't know who is the person, such as if I press here it won't comes out my name, so the lecturer would know that I don't understand the problems. So it is more privacy and secure. So the next one is backend server. The process and stores feedback data. And the fourth one is aggregate data. Data is aggregated and anonymized. And the last one is instructor heat map, real-time visualization for instructors. So for the student feedback, student tap confusion zones on slides, touch-click interaction, zone-based feedback, and real-time submission. The next one, anonymous token. Backend assigns anonymous session tokens, such as UUID generation, session-based, and no PII collection. So for backend server, process and stores feedback data. It uses RESTful API, WebSocket updates, and data validations. For aggregate data, data is aggregated and anonymized, statistical analysis, privacy preservation, and performance metrics. So the last one, instructor heat map, real-time visualization for instructors. It uses live heat maps, analytic dashboard, and alert system. That's all from us.